Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mims and today I want to show you guys how to use your Discovery Miles on Discovery Miles D-Day to pay. You can't do this on the app, you can only do it on the website. Alright, now come with me. I'm going to my cart. I'm gonna click proceed to check out. Okay, no thanks. So now I'm here and then it says pay with Discovery Miles. So I've already chosen that option. It's a default option. Okay, however, I want to use a coupon. I have a discount code that I want to use for my purchase. So yeah, I'm gonna type down the the code quickly and redeem it. Okay, here we go. And then now we go back to pay with miles. I click pay and then I'm redirected to the Discovery website where the transaction will be concluded. A one-time password has been sent to my phone. I put it on. It's a 4-digit password. And then pay you, it shows how much miles I have. That's around 20. They are worth 26,000 rand. I put exactly what I owe there. I have enough. I put 509 and then I press pay. That's it, guys. It's just that simple. And then I wait a little bit for TakeALot to come back and then confirm my order. It is all done, you guys. Yay. That's it for today, you guys. If you like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe and share your comment. It's goodbye from me for now. Till we meet again. Bye bye.